In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with clipping using Whop. Now, in case you haven't heard of yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can use that link to sign up for and start making money with clipping and some other features as well right away. It's basically a great platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with clipping. The biggest advantage I would like to point out first is under the Discover tab. They have this Content Rewards section. What this means is if you're a clipper and you are clipping different content, for example on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you will get paid via an RPM, rate per 1,000 views. For example, on YouTube, the RPM is usually like 10 to 20 cents if you're lucky per 1,000 views, while on TikTok, it's up to $1. But even that is considered high. Usually, it's around 30, 40, or 50 cents, maybe even less. On the Swap website, you can start making clips for different creators, but they will pay you much more. As you can see at the top, they're paying up to $4 per 1,000 views for short-form views posted on Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube, which is amazing. Let me show you how this works. You want to go over to Discover, scroll down to Content Rewards, and click on Show All. In here, you want to select Clipping on the left, because this will show you all the different offers where you can start clipping. These top ones show how much they've paid out and how much their budget is. The top ones are mostly filled because it's sorted by most paid out. But if you scroll down, you'll see there's still a lot of money to be made. For example, with Baby No Money, with Drusky, and others, as you can see, many of these campaigns are not even half paid out, and they have $10,000 budgets, or sometimes even more. It's quite easy to get started. First, you have to know what you want to do. If you want the highest possible RPM, you can sort by RPM. Go to the Sort options, select Highest CPM, and you'll see they're paying up to $5 per 1,000 views for different campaigns. You can click on a campaign to see the details. For example, if you check out Chart Hackers, oh, this one is a paid community. So you want to find a free one if you don't want to pay to join. Here's one. Get paid to make videos for the Autopilot app. This one is free for lifetime access. You can join them and start making money by clipping content for them. You'll see a Join button, click it, and you'll get access to start clipping. You can also sort by Newest, because new opportunities pop up all the time. There are 5 pages right now with different programs being added constantly, day by day, hour by hour. For example, I joined the Ambro clipping campaign. You want to go into the campaign. It pays around $3 per 1,000 views, but still, you can make money easily. Go to the Content Rewards section inside the campaign. You'll see it says, Ambro Clipping Campaign. Submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing to start getting paid. It shows how much has been paid out and how much is left to pay out, along with the time remaining. This campaign requires clipping. The maximum payout per submission is $350, and it's in the music category. Reward is 40 cents per 1,000 views on TikTok. Check the requirements to make sure you qualify. If you qualify, press the Submit button. After that, post your TikTok link and upload the video you edited and posted. Press Submit again, and within 1 hour of publishing, you'll start earning based on the views you generate. As I showed earlier, there are some programs where people are making serious money, like $1,500 per video, $1,200, $1,160, $1,000, $750, $600, and so on, just from clipping different content for different creators. If you want to start, as I said, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did,
Never
please
post on Instagram.
subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.